Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Studylecture. Today is an important question about general awareness. देखिए फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु इज द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ जिम्बाब्वे? द राइट आंसर एमरसन मनगावा. नाउ से अबाउट जिम्बाब्वे. कैपिटल हरारे, करेंसी यूनाइटेड स्टेट डॉलर एंड साउथ अमेरिकन रेंट एंड प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोर्गान ताभांसगिरी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, headquarter of food and agriculture organization is situated in dash. The right answer Rome in Italy. Its head Jose Graziano da Silva. Next question, Babur established Mughal rule in India thought his victory in 1526 over. The right answer Ibrahim Lodi. The beginning of the empire is conventionally dated to the victory by its founder Babur over Ibrahim Lodi, the last ruler of Delhi Sultanate in the first battle of Panipat. During the reign of Humayun, the successor of Babur, the empire was briefly interpreted by the Saur Empire. Next question, who has been awarded the Nobel Peace Prize 2018? The right answer Denis Mukwege and Nadia Murad. The Nobel Peace Prize 2018 was awarded jointly to Denis Mukwege and Nadia Murad for their effort to the end the use of sexual violence as a weapon of the war and armed conflict. Next question, name the study of the effect of light on chemical. The right answer etiology. Next question, who is the author of the book A Brief History of Time? The right answer Stephen Hawking. Next question, who among the chief of the Indian government? The right answer Prime Minister. Next question, who drafted the Sarvodaya plan in 1950? The right answer Jayaprakash Narayan. Next question, electricity is produced through dry cell from chemical energy. Dry cell battery converts chemical energy into electricity. The chemical reaction produces electrons which then collect at the negative terminal of the battery. When there is a connection between the positive and negative terminal, the electrons flows to the positive terminal. Next question, creation of something from nothing is an against the law of. The right answer law of conservation of energy. The law of conservation energy and mass state that energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, but it can change from one form to another form. The law of conservation of mass state that total amount of mass remain constant in an isolated system in split of any physical or chemical change that may take place. Next question, which metal is permanently used in mobile phone battery? The right answer lithium. Among the following propose that atoms are individual? Right answer Dalton. Dalton's atomic theory proposed that all matter was composed of atoms, indivisible and indestructible building blocks. While all atoms of an element were identical, different elements had atoms of different size and mass. Next question, how many elements are there in the fifth period of the modern periodic table? The right answer 18, starting from rubidium and ending with xenon. Next question, the Tungabhadra river provided to which empire? The right answer Vijayanagar. There are a number of ancient and holy sites on the bank of the Tungabhadra river. The modern town of Hampi is the ruins of Vijayanagars at the Tungabhadra rivers. Next question, and then one day, a memoir is an autobiography of Nasiruddin Shah. Next question, which city hosted Yoga Day 2016? The right answer Chandigarh. Next question, who has been appointed as chairman Indira Gandhi National Center for Art Board? Right answer Ram Bahadur Rai. The government appointed Ram Bahadur Rai as its new chairman. Ram Bahadur Rai is a senior journalist and Padma Shri winner. Next question, Third Asia Ministerial Conference of Tiger Conservation has been started in which city? The right answer New Delhi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the third edition of Asia Ministerial Conference on Tiger Conservation at Vigyan Bhavan in New Delhi to save wild tigers. Next question, the Manas Wildlife Sanctuary is in Assam. Last question. Who destroyed the Somnath temple in Gujarat? The right answer Mahmud Ghazni.